Whether you are looking to activate just one solution for one device or have to upgrade an entire office, BRadmin is the one piece of software you will need to quickly do the job. All you will need is the appropriate activation code or codes, which can be purchased from many authorized brother retailers. BRadmin Professional can be downloaded free of charge from the Brother Support website. Simply go to support.brother.com. Find one of your Brother devices, go to the Downloads area, then scroll down the page until you find BRadmin Professional. When you do, please download and install it. After installing BRadmin Professional, please open it. Select the Brother device or devices that you would like to send your activation code to. Then click the Show All link underneath the Instant Tasks range of options. What this will do is display more instant tasks. Scroll down and click the Manage Solutions button. The Manage Solutions window will open. From it, type the admin password for the device or devices you selected earlier. If you see a drop-down menu underneath this password entry field, ensure that the Activate Solutions option is selected. Here is where you need to put your activation code or codes. If they were provided to you as a .lic file, this is where you need to select it. Alternatively, if you were provided with a 20-digit code, this is where you need to put it. When activating Light Solutions, BRadmin will create a log file. Select where on your computer you want BRadmin to do this. Finally, click the Apply button. The Light Solutions window will close and return you to the central dashboard. To find out if the activation was successful, click the Tasks tab. Ensure that the Instant Tasks option is selected. The status of the activation will be in the task log. If it was successful, it will be green. If something went wrong, it will either be orange or red. To find the possible cause, please open the log file. It can be found in the location you specified earlier from the Light Solutions activation window. 3 of the main reasons for activation problems include using an invalid license code, BRadmin not being able to access the internet, or the Light solution you are trying to activate is already active. From the main BRadmin dashboard, select the Brother device you would like to check for active Light solutions. Then click the Details button. Scroll to the bottom of the pop-up window. Here you can find which Light solutions are active on your Brother device. Thank you.